How to summarize web pages on Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn on how we can summarize web pages on Galaxy S25 series. But before we get started, to make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Summarizing web pages on Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra is quite simple. Now for this, what you have to do is you have to use a Samsung phone that has Galaxy AI. Then you want to download the Samsung Internet browser from your Galaxy store. So it only works on Samsung Internet browser. So if you're inside the Samsung Internet browser and you're going inside a certain article, you want to summarize the whole of this page. You don't have the time to go to all this. From the bottom of the web page on the navigation menu, you can see a galaxy, which is a twinkling like icon. When you tap on it, you can see the option Summarize and Translate. Since we are trying to summarize, tap the Summarize option. The AI will go through all of this and it will summarize the web pages for you right over here. This way, you can summarize a web page on Samsung. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.